Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive. Stock number E1872P. 42,000 miles on this Grand Cherokee. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Granite Crystal Metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat backs fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Additional underfloor storage with the removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control, as well as heated seats and heated steering wheel. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And this is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And 4-wheel drive with 4-low. Lots of storage space in the armrest, along with a spacious glove box. Overhead, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6 liter V6, 295 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 65% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Grand Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.